When homeowners think about improving comfort inside their homes, doors are often overlooked in favor of windows, insulation, or HVAC systems. However, the way doors are installed plays a significant role in how comfortable a home feels day to day. For Coppell homeowners, professional door installation can make a noticeable difference in temperature control, noise reduction, airflow, and overall livability throughout the house. Creating a proper seal for consistent temperatures. One of the biggest comfort issues in many homes comes from air leaks around doors. Gaps caused by poor installation allow hot or cold air to move freely between indoors and outdoors. In Coppell living spaces, properly installed doors create a tight seal that helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This means fewer drafts near entryways and more comfortable rooms throughout the home. Reducing hot and cold spots. Poorly installed doors can lead to uneven temperatures, especially in rooms near entry points. These hot or cold spots can make certain areas uncomfortable no matter how the thermostat is set. Professional door installation ensures doors are aligned correctly and sealed evenly. For Coppell homeowners, this results in balanced temperatures and improved comfort in daily living spaces. Minimizing outside noise. Noise intrusion can affect how relaxing a home feels. Gaps around doors often allow outdoor sounds to enter, especially in busy neighborhoods. Properly installed doors help reduce noise by eliminating air gaps and securing the door firmly in place. In Coppell homes, this leads to quieter interiors that support rest, focus, and family time. Improving airflow. Control. Door placement and installation affect how air moves through a home. Poor installation can disrupt airflow and make it harder to regulate indoor conditions. With professional installation, doors in Coppell living spaces support smoother airflow between rooms, contributing to a more comfortable indoor environment. Supporting energy efficiency and comfort. When doors are installed correctly, they help prevent energy loss. This allows heating and cooling systems to operate more efficiently. For Coppell homeowners, improved energy efficiency means consistent comfort without overworking HVAC systems, making daily living more pleasant. Preventing moisture and draft-related discomfort. Gaps around doors don't just let air in, they can also allow moisture to enter. This can cause humidity issues and discomfort, especially near entryways. Proper door installation protects Coppell homes from moisture intrusion, contributing to a drier and more comfortable indoor atmosphere. Enhancing ease of use and functionality. Comfort also includes how easily doors operate. Doors that stick, scrape, or don't close properly can be frustrating. Professional installation ensures doors open and close smoothly. In Coppell homes, this improves everyday convenience and overall satisfaction. Improving comfort in high-traffic areas. Entryways, living rooms, and connecting spaces see frequent use. Doors in these areas must perform reliably to maintain comfort. For Coppell homeowners, professional installation ensures doors function properly in high-traffic spaces without creating drafts or noise issues. Long-term comfort benefits. Correct installation helps doors maintain their fit and performance over time. This reduces the risk of future issues that could affect comfort. In Coppell homes, this long-term reliability means consistent comfort year after year. A comfortable home starts with proper door installation. Door installation plays a vital role in daily comfort. By improving temperature control, reducing noise, supporting airflow, and ensuring smooth operation, professional door installation enhances everyday living. For Coppell homeowners, investing in quality installation is a simple yet impactful way to create a more comfortable and enjoyable home.